Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hi all, today we'll be discussing about the ultimate moment calculation of a T-beam having the following section properties. Here you can see the dimensions which is given, that is, this is breadth of flange, this is equal to width of web, this is BW, this is effective depth small d, this is thickness of flange, that is DF, and this is area of tensile steel, that is AST. Here FCK is equal to 20 Newton per mm square and Fy is equal to 415 Newton per mm square. So this is the given data. Okay, we are going to find out the mu value for a T-beam. Here first I will be calculating value of XU by D. It is nothing but 0.87 Fy AST divided by 0.36 FCK Vf into D. When you substitute, you will be getting value of XU by D. It is equal to 0.87 into 415. AST is 5000 divided by 0.36 into FCK is 20. Breadth of flange is 1250 into the breadth of flange, here it is, into depth, it is 750 mm. When you solve this one, XU by D is equal to 0.267. Now you compare this with XU max by D. Before that I will be comparing it with DF. So XU is equal to 0.267 into small d. Small d is nothing but 750. Okay, if XU by, it becomes XU is equal to 0.267 into D. So when you solve this one, you will be getting XU is equal to 200.58 mm. If you solve this one, easily can get the mu values. Okay, so before that what I will do, I will be comparing this with DF. Okay, now the DF is 120 something 160 mm is there. DF you can see 160 mm is there. So here, okay, XU is 200 mm. Okay, now XU is greater than DF. Here XU is greater than DF. That means, okay, you must go through the second table or second lane in a flow chart. Okay, here what I will do, okay, XU is greater than DF. Now I will be comparing. Now I will be comparing DF by D and DF by XU. DF by D and DF by XU. Either you may get third case or fourth case. Here first I will be calculating DF by D, that is 160 by 750, and another one is 160 by XU we have calculated, that is 200.58. Now 160 by 70, it is equal to 0.213 and this is 0.79. Both values are above the limit values, that is it is greater than 0.2 and this one is greater than 0.79. Okay, so when it comes to the fourth case, so this will comes under fourth case. So the moment will be calculated using equation. Okay, if you didn't get exactly what exactly the cases are, just go through the previous videos. There we have discussed on the flowchart for analysis of T-beam. So mu is equal to 0.36 XU max by D into bracket 1 minus 0.42 XU max by D into bracket FCK BW D square plus 0.45 FCK into bracket BF minus BW into YF into bracket D minus YF by 2. Now the equation for YF is equal to 0.15 XU plus 0.65 BF. When you solve this one, 0.15 into 200.58 plus 0.65 into breadth of flange, that is 1250. Okay, sorry, this is not depth of flange, it is df, it is nothing but 160 mm. When you solve this one, yf is equal to 134.08. Now substitute all the values in this equation, that is mu equation. So we'll switch to this page. Okay, it is nothing but mu is equal to 0.36 xu by d. xu by d is already calculated, that is 0.267. Directly substitute this value, xu by d into 0.267 into bracket 1 minus 0.42 xu by d, that is 0.267 again, into bracket 20 into bw, web width 250 into depth 750 square plus 0.45 into z 0.45 fck bf minus pw. fck is 20, breadth of flange is 1250 minus 250, breadth of web into yf value is 134.08, 134.08 into bracket 750 this will be 750, that is nothing but the overall depth d minus yf by 2. Yf means this is d minus yf by 2. Okay, yf is equal to how much? 134.08. 134.08 divided by 2. So that will be equal to mu is equal to, when you solve this one, you will be getting value of mu is equal to 1064.16 kilonewton meter. This is all about the analysis of T-beam. Okay, that is the fourth case. Okay, earlier we have solved first case. Now this is the fourth case problem. Here I will be writing fourth case problem. So when you solve this one, okay, when you start solving the problems on T-beam, you will come to know how exactly the flowchart will help you to solve the problems. Okay, I think you understood. Thank you.